Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. My topic for today is the introduction of the topic, the Nano World, Chapter 3, Lesson 4. Nano World of Science and Technology is a great interest to governments, industries, and academia. The prefix nano denotes sizes of the order of 1 billion of a meter. Nanostructure science and technology is a broad and interdisciplinary area of research and development activity that has been growing explosively worldwide in the past few years. It has the potential for revolutionizing the way in which materials and products are created and the range and nature of functionalities that can be assessed. Ang nanoword kay nagpasabot sa science and technology nga nagtuon sa mga super gamay nga mga sukat nga adunay dakong potensyal nga usbon ang paagi sa paghimo sa mga materyales ug produkto. Kini kay nagpadayon sa pag-uswag sa tibuok kalibutan ug naghatag og bag-ong oportunidad sa technology ug sa science. Next is the history of nanotechnology traces the development of the concept and experimental work falling under the broad category of nanotechnology. Although the nanotechnology is a relatively recent development in scientific research, the development of its central concept happened over a longer period of time. The emergence of nanotechnology in the 1980s was caused by the convergence of experimental advances such as the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope in 1981 and the discovery of fluorescence in 1985 with the elucidation and popularization of a conceptual framework for the goals of nanotechnology. The nanotechnology nagsugod sa 1980s tungod sa mga new technology ug new experiment sama sa Microsoft o nga makatunghay og mga fluorescence sama sa panahong gipasikat usab ang kanang mga idea ug mga kanang tumong sa nanotechnology nga nagpasabot nga mas lapad nga pag-uswag niini. And that will be all my report. The next topic will be discussed by Novemay Munalem. Thank you.